Hello everyone, welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse and illustrate the country known as the land of legendary Incas Valley. It's Peru. So to see this beautiful drawing and to know the unknown stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Peru. Friends, it's been a long time now. We are doing this World Tour series and we have traveled through, many different places, countries, cultures, where people's lives, where they live. Of course, all these happen virtually through the colors of eyes and canvas. And no matter where we go and no matter where we fly, the desire to know the unknown will always be there, always stays in the mind. And that is why we come back again and again with this World Tour series here in Imagination Gallery to know about different countries, their paintings, and to see this beautiful painting and to know the unknown stories about it. You have to see this video till the end. And today we will see a painting of a beautiful place surrounded by mountains, a place that has made a remarkable place in the pages of history. It's Peru. And we can see here in our painting, it's a beautiful place or a village with mountains in the background. Beside, there is a market. People are selling or buying things. Just so amazing and mesmerizing. I can't wait now and just want to start over. Let's begin. Friends, in Peru, art can be traced back to subsequent culture of the Pacific coastal region and the Chavin culture from north of modern-day Lima. Both of these cultures from around the 9th century BC worked with gold, silver, ceramics, producing symbolic works that are considered the beginnings of Peruvian art. Peruvian art has its origin in the Andean civilization. These civilizations rose in the territory of modern Peru before the arrival of Spanish. The Cuzco school of the early 16th century incorporated native Peruvian artists, especially Quechua, and limited the European style of drawing and oil painting with the religious themes. And modern-day Peruvian art continues to be influenced by its indigenous heritage. There are distinct differences in the pattern of daily life of Peruvians, depending on their social class and whether they live in rural or urban settings. Most people who live in rural areas are very dependent on the agricultural cycle. Most work is done during daylight hours. People rise early and go to bed early there. The herding of sheep, llamas and alpacas takes place at elevations above the limits of agriculture. Pastoralists follow a distinct annual cycle that in many ways is more difficult and certainly more isolated too than that of rural farmers. Religious festivals, weddings, baptism and similar occasions are often the only disruptions to the rigors of rural life, and these events are communal with entire villages sharing in a family celebration. That's Peruvian daily life. The daily life of the residents of Peru's cities varies with the social class. Relatively, few of the poorer residents have a good jobs within the formal Peruvian economy. Often they must work 2 or 3 jobs and they have less leisure time than other Peruvians, such as make up the majority of the population in square settlement that surround the major urban areas. The early afternoon is reserved for the siesta, that means nap hour, followed by a return to work for those who are employed. For those who are not, it is the time for relaxing, paying social visits, participating in sporting activities, or watching a favorite telenovela, that means soap opera. This is so exciting to know about an unknown family, about not like a family, like kind of a person or a community which you are unknown to know about them. This is such interesting. Extended families, frequently get together for birthday parties, weddings, baptisms, and other social events there in Peru. Many wealthy families in Lima have more than one home. The main house may be in one of the city's elite neighborhoods, a second may be at the beach, and a third may be at the Andean foothills or overseas. The village life there in Peru revolves largely around the growing season, which is also the rainy season, running from September to May. All the work in the fields, plowing, planting, turning, follow soil, harvesting, is done by hand using very basic tools. During the dry season, the men often work as guides and porters on the Inca Trail. Now friends, let's talk about Peru as a country, where it lies. Peru is a country in western South America. Its capital and largest city is Lima. The mixture of cultural traditions has resulted in a wide diversity of expressions in fields of art, cuisine, literature, and music. Peruvian culture is primarily rooted in our Amerindian and European traditions, though it has also been influenced by various Asian and African ethnic groups also. Peruvian artistic traditions date back to elaborate pottery, textiles, and etc. Pre-Inca cultures, The Incas maintained these crafts and made architectural achievements, including the construction of Machu Picchu. Peru is famous for Machu Picchu, an impressive built in the 1400s by the Incas, an ancient civilization that came from the Peruvian highlands in the early 1200s. The Incas ruled Peru for over 300 years until the Spanish conquered them in 1572. And at its peak, the Incas were one of the largest empires in the world. To give you an idea how large was it, at its peak, the mighty empire covered a large chunk of South America beyond Peru, including modern-day Ecuador, Bolivia, Argentina, and Chile. Cusco was considered the heart and soul of Inca Empire. It was their capital, built under the Inca ruler Pachacutec. I hope I spelled it correctly. Please pardon me for that. When the Spanish invaded, they kept the Inca foundations of Cusco in place, adding Baroque churches and palaces over the ruins. The result in an impressive city declared a UNESCO listed heritage in 1983. The main highlight that the Incas will always be revered for is the mighty Machu Picchu, located around 50 miles outside of Cusco in the Sacred Valley. Machu Picchu has become the most famous icon of Inca civilization visited by thousands every day in Peru. Discovering its diverse culture, history, geography, biodiversity and gastronomy, from the coastal lands of the capital and dunes of Ica, crossing the Andes mountain range up to the Peruvian Amazon. Peru is home to Citadel of Machu Picchu, one of the 7 wonders of the world, located outside Cusco City in the Forest Borough. And even though Machu Picchu is one of the most visited sites in Peru, it alone is not enough to fully comprehend this exotic country. Well, so much about this beautiful place, ancient historical place. And our World Tour series, friends, will continue. We will continue to search this little happiness and joy just to share with you all only. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with the family of Imagination Gallery. Hope you enjoyed and liked today's exploration of Peru. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week. Stay safe and take care, my friends. Bye for now.